Good afternoon, Carla. It's Wednesday, and it's raining. So you know what that means? Wednesday and rainy can only mean tea time. I'm still drinking the tea that I got from England that I may or may not have borrowed without the intention of giving back. You can't prove it. So today being Wednesday means that your final exams were over yesterday, which means that you are going to come see me today because we are going to go to the Andrea Gibson show that is at the Jorgensen tonight. So I'm going to meet you there because I want to make sure that us in the short people brigade get a front row seat so no one tall sits in front of us, because that is our daily struggle of going places with seats. Is tall people always sit in front of us and we're like, hey, please don't do that. We were not gifted with height that you have. Please move. Such is life. So this Sunday is my rugby team's senior game. So I know full well that I will not be playing just because the hooker for A-side is a senior, and so she would probably rather kill people than not play in her senior game. So tomorrow being Thursday is our senior dinner. We are gonna go get pizza, I think, because what would rugby be without pizza? So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go to any practice this week, except yesterday's was canceled, so we're going to practice on Friday. So I will actually be going to that one. Sorry, guys. I swear, I don't mean to miss this many practices. It's just I had so many other things to do. This is my last week of classes. I have had my last philosophy class. Tomorrow I will have my last oceanography class and my last philosophy discussion. And Friday I will have my last math class and drama class and Spanish class. Basically, all that we're doing on Friday is reviewing for the final exams of everything. And tomorrow we might be reviewing for oceanography, but who knows what that woman is going to be doing. I never know what's going to happen in that class. And I have gone to every single class. So, who knows? You might be going to class with me tomorrow because there is a workshop that is tomorrow that I am forcing you to go to if Mom doesn't take you home, which would be weird and unplanned. But that is a thing that's going to happen, and we are going to leave my philosophy discussion 5 or 10 minutes early so we can get there because it's kind of a long way away, and because UConn is always doing construction, we have to go a weird way to get there. So that's a thing. I believe that is all I have for you today. I am extremely excited to be seeing you this afternoon in less than 2 hours. I'm kind of freaking out a bit, which is why I have my tea. So, I love you. Yesterday is not today. Let's forget I said that. I will see you tomorrow, and also later today. Bye.